morning, everyone, and welcome to another exciting edition of CMB Spotlight Interview, proudly brought to you by Commerce and Mortgage Bank, creating sustainable relationships. With me, your host, Fatima Dija Koroma. At Commerce and Mortgage Bank, we believe that banking is more than just transactions. It's about helping individuals, families, and businesses build a secure financial future. Through this interview series, we bring you closer to the products and services offered and designed to improve your financial well-being. Today's discussion is one that touches every family. As parents and guardians, one of our greatest responsibilities is ensuring our children receive quality education. However, However, planning for school fees and educational expenses requires discipline and preparation. That is why Commerce and Mortgage Bank introduced the Student Kopo Account, a savings account specifically designed to help parents and guardians save towards their children's education from an early stage. To help us understand this product properly, I am delighted to welcome Mrs. Catherine Gbanja, Acting Head of Retail Banking at Commerce and Mortgage Bank.
It is truly a pleasure to be here. I appreciate the opportunity to educate our children, customers, and the general public about one of the most important savings products. At Commerce and Mortgage Bank, we understand that education is the most greatest investment a parent can give to a child. The Student Kopo Account was created to support families in achieving their goals through disciplined savings. Thank you.
So let's start with the basics. What exactly is the Student Kopo Account and what inspired Commerce and Mortgage Bank to introduce this product?
The Student Kopo Account is an educational account. Like parents use this account to save for their children. It is a very important account because when you're a parent, you must ensure that you have a particular savings for your kids, whether it's for educational purposes or whether it's for the children's personal upbringings or whether it's for their future. You have to have a specific account so that you won't get stuck on the way in raising that particular kid.
So let's start with the basics. What exactly is the Student Kopo Account and what inspired Commerce and Mortgage Bank to introduce this product?
Um, the Student Kopo Account is an educational account. Like parents use this account to save for their children. It is a very important account because when you're a parent, you must ensure that you have a particular savings for your kids, whether it's for educational purposes or whether it's for the children's personal upbringings or whether it's for their future. You have to have a specific account so that you won't get stuck on the way in raising that particular kid.
So, who exactly is this account meant for?
Well, this account is meant for parents, guardians, foster parents, or even family members that want to take care of a particular kid or want to render help to any child that you want to raise.
Many parents tend to save for school fees only when these school fees are due. So, why do you think saving early is a better option?
Well, I'll say firstly, it reduces financial pressure during school reopening periods. And secondly, small, regular deposits grow every time, you understand? And parents also develop a habit of disciplined savings. So when it's expected that if you save early, it will reduces the pressure for you that so when school reopens, it will ease up the pressure of you calculating, I have to spend this money, I have to spend this money. So when you have that savings, you just go to that savings and take whatever you want to support your child's school activities.
Okay. So let's discuss the features of the Student Couple account. What can customers expect when they get to open these accounts?
Um, it's not anything huge. It's a savings account, and when opening a savings account, you don't expect parents to bring a lot of documentations
Mm.
to open that account. It's a savings account, so it has minimal documentations requirements. So for the opening balance, it's 100 leones for the opening balance for the account opening. Then the minimum on that account, well, like when you're utilizing the account, the minimum balance that should be on the account should be 50 leons. Then we have the SMS monthly charges that we do, which is 5 leons every month. Whatever withdrawals you do, they only charge you 5 leons for a month. Then we do cash transfers. We accept deposits, checks from other banks into that account. Then we ask for the IDs of the parents, the birth certificate of the child, and other required documents, utility bills, or from the parent, passport picture for the child and the parent also. But we don't require IDs from the child, no, only the parents. Like, you have to be a recognized citizen. You have to be capable enough to take care of a child. So we want to see all those documents in place to know that yes, you are able to take care of the child, especially also the birth certificate of the child. You have to be in possession of that document when opening this account.
Apart from earning interest, what are some additional benefits of this account?
Student Kopo accounts help customers for a savings culture, because when you have those accounts, it helps you motivate yourself. Like, I have to save for this child. I have, because when you have a goal, to impact that culture in you, that I want to save, I want to do this, I have
Mhm.
this particular thing that I am working towards. So it helps you have a culture, a savings mentality that yes, I must do this. Then it prepares for school fees without panic. When you're saving this particular funds for a child, when school want to reopen, you have no stress because you know that there's funds for this particular reason, so you won't have to be stressed about it. Then it also earns interest. The interest that it earns when you're saving these monies and you don't withdraw, it earns interest per annum quarterly. When you don't do withdrawals in this account, quarterly it gives you an interest on that account. Then monitor transactions through the SMS alerts. You understand, when you deposit, you know that I've deposited, and it gives you your balance at the end of your deposits and all. It makes you keep in track of your daily deposits or your monthly deposits into the account. Then receiving deposits from other relatives and spouse and sponsors into their accounts, it helps you track all those funds, all those transactions in their accounts.
So, what are some of those questions customers ask about this Student Kopo account?
Well, most of the asked questions that customers ask, can I deposit money anytime? It's a big yes. You can deposit money at any time, anywhere, because we have internet banking also that is available for these customers as long as you have an account with us.
Mm.
You use your internet banking at your convenience, sit at your house, debit from your account to your child's account at your convenience. So you can do it at any time, any minute, any hour of the day. You can do it. Another questions that customers normally ask are, can relative contribute to that account? Of course, anybody can contribute to that account. It doesn't matter whether you're the one that opened the account.
Mhm.
When you want to help that child, to invest in that child, you can deposit to the account at any time that you want to deposit. It's accessible. Come to the bank, make your deposits into the account, then it's fine. Other ask questions, there is a minimal amount that you can save. No, there is no minimum account you can save in that account. You can save as much as you want to, because you know it's for the future.
Mm-hmm.
So we don't have any minimum deposit on that account. You can
Mm-hmm.
deposit as much as you want into that account. It's not restricted. Um, Other questions that they normally ask is, can I monitor my account? Of course, as I said, we have our internet banking app that you can use to check your statements. What have you deposited? What did you withdraw from the account? How's the account going? The progress of the account. All that you can do it at your convenience with our internet banking.
There are many savings products available. Why should parents choose the Student Kopo Account at Commerce and Mortgage Bank?
Well, at Commerce and Mortgage Bank, we understand the importance of education. The Student Kopo Account is specifically designed to support parents in achieving long-term educational goals. Customers benefit from the affordable account opening requirements, competitive interest rates, the convenient banking service, excellent customer support, then a trusted financial institution committed to help family grow financially. And for the support that we give customers, we are available at any time. We have dedicated staffs that are at Commerce and Mortgage Bank that you can call at any time of the day to ask any questions in terms of your business, your account transaction or business transaction, and they are willingly ready to answer you at any time.
Okay. So, Mrs. Banja, before we conclude, what message would you like to give to parents and guardians watching us today?
Well, Dija, my message is so simple. Education is the greatest gift you can give to a child. Don't wait until school opens before you start saving. Start saving today. Every little savings counts a lot in what you want to achieve. Every little deposit bring your child step closer to achieving their dreams. So I'm encouraging.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Catherine Gbanja, for sharing these valuable insights about the Student Corporate Account. I'm sure our viewers now have a better understanding of how this account can help them prepare financially for their children's education. To our viewers, remember that the best investment you can make is in your child's future. Start your savings journey today with the CMB Student Kopo Account and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with planning ahead. Visit our head office at 11 Charlotte Street for more information to open your account. Thank you for joining us for another edition of CMB Spotlight Interview. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our social media handles. Follow us at Commerce and Mortgage Bank for more educational and financial updates. Until next time, stay safe, keep saving, and remember, Commerce and Mortgage Bank creating sustainable relationships.